Welcome to a kid's eye view of 9300 Overseas Highway, also known as Bait Shack. You might remember us from a video of us running down this same exact pathway. It's right here. Come with us as we explore. Welcome to this beautiful house. We can't wait to show you around. There's a movie theater. Come on, let's go. Wow. Welcome to the movie theater. Wow, what's going on? My mom always said that these stairs were from the movie Key Largo. Look at how grand they are. I bet you can never guess where my sister is hiding. Peekaboo! A built-in secret room. This would be my reading nook. I think this one's it. Hey, there it is. Hey, look, a horse. Giddy up. Look! 2 beds. Well, these picture slides. A TV? Wow, that's cool. Look! Wow. Check out the porch. Come on. Steps. Look, a bridge. Oh, I so want to jump in. A waterfall, look. I'm gonna call this gardening Mermaid's Cove. Because there's a place for the mermaids, and then there's a place for them to play. A waterfall! Look, a waterfall! Oh, wow. Come on. Oh. Hey, wait! I think that, let's go see what those stairs lead to. Come on. Let's see. Oh. Come on. Wow, what a view! Come on, let's go. I bet I could see dolphins from here. I wonder if that's a sailfish. So cool. Hey, look, a little fireplace and a TV. Wow, carving trees. Yay! Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up. I've always wanted to be a chef. This would be my kitchen. Look at how many burners this thing has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, wow. Hey, look, a little sink knob. Whee! Whoa, big sink, look at that. Hello! What's in here? Oh, look at the ice, it's so tiny. Oh, that's so cute. It's little baby ice. It'll grow up soon though. Wow. This is so cool. Look, a swinging door. Whee, swing. Swing. I've always seen these in real kitchens. Swing. Hey, look, dragonflies. That's nice. Let's go see what's in here. Look, a coral wall. That's really cool. Wow, this would be my bathroom. Wow, roses. I think those are roses. Trickle, trickle, trickle. I would take a bath here. Oh, look at the shower. This is a wonderful shower. Ginormous. Yeah, so big. I'll just sit down while I take a shower. Here's the exit. Oh, wow. Wow. Did you know that this mirror actually becomes a TV? Wait, really? Yeah. How can that happen? I don't know. It's probably just magic. Oh, look at that big palm tree. That thing is huge. What's this? It's a path. Come on, let's see where it leads to. Come on. This is probably a bug's favorite place to live. Oh yeah, all these trees. Look at how the light reflects off the leaves in just the right spots. Wow. Wow, that is so light over there. It's cool how it's dark over here and lighter over there. Yeah. Look, there's a path over there. Let's follow it. I see a small tiki. Let's go and see what that is. You see a tiki? Yeah. Oh my goodness, look. What? Look. Doesn't that remind you of something? Paddington. Look, come here. That reminds me of Paddington. Yeah, that so reminds me of Paddington. A pond, look. Hey, look, there's the tiki I was talking about. I knew it was there. I thought I saw a hammock in it. Let's go see. I saw one too. Yes, we were right. It is a hammock. Come on. Swing. Swing. So magical. Wow. Wait. That means there's a river. Look, then we must go and follow that river. Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Usually rivers come from waterfalls. What's that? That's huge. What's that fence for? Come on, let's go and see. Wow. Huh. You know, I bet this was the turtles. Yeah, there were turtles kept here. Wow. How do you know all this stuff about animals and... I don't know. Come on, let's go. I can't wait to see. Oh, I wonder where this path goes. Let's hope you run into this one. I'll take this one. Okay, come on. Hey, the path's me. Oh. Hello. Hello. Good day. Fancy meeting you here. I hear that sound of water. It sounds near. Look, a bridge. We must be getting close. Come on. Oh, there's the tiki. There's the tiki. There's water in there. A bear. Oh. Look. Wow. There's a waterfall over there. Come on, let's go. I hope this waterfall. I hope this path leads us to it. Oh, which way to go? There. Look, the waterfall. Wow, so beautiful. This place is ginormous. I wonder how many acres it is. It's pretty big, that's all I know. Yeah. So this is like an ultimate paradise. Come on, let's go. Come on. Wow. Oh, wow. So many palm trees. They're so tall. I couldn't climb that high. I don't think so. Unless I climbed up on the roof and then I climbed onto the palm tree. Yeah. Which that would be dangerous. Yeah. Wow, look at it. Look at the house from here. It's so beautiful. I love that big palm tree right in the middle of it. It's a talipo palm. Oh, wow. Oh, look at how big it is. It's ginormous, way bigger than us. I know I couldn't climb this one. Nope. Look at the sharp edges on that palm tree. Wow. Now we're gonna show you one of my favorite places to eat lunch. Let's go.